Man, I wonder if anybody's gonna even still come or what is that? What is that thing? Wait, is it heading towards me? Oh, nah, it's heading towards me. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh my. What on earth is this? Why is it so massive?
I'm just here to work my job, to emulate mountain.
Well, you ran me over, by the way. Okay, this isn't even a police chase anymore. This is literally a drill chase. No, no.
End it, end it, end it.